Hey, what's up, mga kaamego? This is Sergio, and welcome to Sergio Project Paglaom, where we're all about spreading hope through helping and sharing. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Today is going to be extra special. Matagal ko na itong planong gawin and finally, it's happening. I'm so excited to share this journey with all of you. But before we dive into the details, please don't forget to hit that follow button. Show some love para lagi kayong updated sa bawat inspiring videos na i-upload natin. So for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa monthly meeting ng ating beloved senior citizens. I'm here to observe and spend some time with them. And honestly, it's so heartwarming to see na kahit sobrang init ng weather, our lolas and lolos are still very happy. Makikita mo talaga sa kanila yung genuine smiles and pure joy despite the heat. But while I was looking around, may isang nakakuha ng attention ko. It's one of our lolas na parang may dinadalang lungkot. She looks so vulnerable and really breaks my heart. Kaya naman, mga kaamego, sa next vlog natin, we will take the time to know her better. Kakausapin natin siya para malaman natin kung paano tayo makakatulong sa kanya. Kaya naman, let's keep going. Padayon tayo sa pagtulong at sa pagbibigay ng pag-asa. Thank you so much for all your support. If this video touched your heart, don't forget to like and share this para mas marami pa tayong ma-inspire. Let's spread the love, one story at a time. Again, this is Sergio of Project Paglaom. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!